I'm Anil Kumar, and here is second question from my test paper on functions. Question number 2 is, given f of x equals to 2x squared minus 3x plus 1, evaluate f of minus 2, write expression for f of x plus 1, find x for f of x equals to 6. You can always pause the video, answer the question, and look into my suggestion. Okay, so let's start with part A, which is evaluate f of minus 2. It simply means that you have to replace x with minus 2, right? So let me write down here. F of minus 2 will be, replacing x with minus 2, we get 2 times minus 2 square minus 3 times minus 2 plus 1. That gives me 2 times 4, minus and minus becomes plus, 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1, and that is 8 plus 1, 9, plus 6, 15, correct? So we could say 7 plus 8 as 15. So this f of minus 2 is 15. Part B is, write expression for f of x plus 1. So replace x with x plus 1, so we get f of x plus 1 equals to 2 times x plus 1 whole square minus 3 times x plus 1 plus 1. That gives you 2 times x square plus 2ab, right? 2x plus 1 minus 3x minus 3 plus 1. Now you can combine the like terms. You get 2x square plus 4x plus 2 minus 3x minus 3 plus 1 is plus 2. And that gives you 2x square, 4x minus 3x is x, plus 2 is plus 4, right? So you get this function 2x square plus x plus 4. That becomes f of x plus 1. So that's an expression for f of x plus 1, right? So that's part B. Now let me write down. So this is part A, this is B, solution. And let's do C now, which is find x for f of x equals to 6. So basically, what we have to do is f of x is 6. So we can replace f of x with 6 equals to 2x squared minus 3x plus 1. We need to find x. Take x on the 6 on the other side. So 0 equals to 2x squared minus 3x plus 1 minus 6, which is 2x squared minus 3x minus 5, correct? At this stage, you can factor and find the solution, or you could use quadratic formula, right? So, adopt technique which you feel comfortable with. Minus 5 times 2 is minus 10, and you need minus 3. So minus 3 you can get by addition of minus 5 and 2, right? You get minus 3. So you could use factoring technique also. Let's use factoring technique. We got 2x squared minus 5x plus 2x minus 5. Now here we have x common, so we get x 2x minus 5 plus 2x minus 5 equals to 0. And we can write this as, let me take it on the other side, okay. So this means 0 equals to 2x minus 5 is common. We get x plus 1. So we have two solutions. One we can get by 2x minus 5 equal to 0. That means 2x equals to 5, or x is equals to 5 over 2, right? The other one, x plus 1 equals to 0, x equals to minus 1. So find x for f of x equals to 6. We have two solutions. X equals to 5 over 2, which is 2.5 you could write, or minus 1. Do you see that? So that is how you could solve this question on functions. I'm Anil Kumar, and I hope you appreciate it. You can always share my videos. Feel free to post your suggestions. Thank you, and all the best.